Okay guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot if you couldn't figure out how to install the preset on your own. This is a video to show you the workarounds around that. So the main issue that people have is their version of Lightroom isn't correct. So you need to have Adobe Lightroom Classic or Adobe Lightroom Classic CC or just Adobe Lightroom 7.3 or higher. So you need to check what version your Lightroom is in. To do that, you go to Lightroom, About Lightroom, and it'll say it right there. So it needs to say 7.3, 7.4, 7.8, or anything higher than 7.3. And then that's how you know that you're updated to the newest Lightroom. And if you're not, if this number is lower than 7.3, then all you have to do is go to your Adobe Creative Cloud. It should be up here in the top, and then click and update your Lightroom. It should say it right here if it's not updated all the way, or right here if you're using Lightroom Classic. Just click update, it'll update. You can also Google on how to update your Adobe Lightroom, and that should fix your issue, and then you could rewatch the other video. If that still doesn't help, there's a couple other ways. One, you can click right here, click import presets, and then you can select the presets right there and click import. That'll put them into your Lightroom. Another way you could try is click right here and then click that button, the plus sign, and then click import profiles. And then you can import the .xmp files that I sent you, and it'll put them into your profile browser. And then to get to those, you just click here, and then you can click Branson Maxwell Pure, Delicate, or Polished from the items there. And then if your Lightroom doesn't look like this at all, it's because you're using Adobe Lightroom, not the Classic or the Classic CC. So let's go ahead and open this version, and I'll show you how to import them here if this is the version you have. So to import them here, you're going to go to Presets. You're going to click this three dots up here at the top, and then you're going to click Import Presets. And then you're going to find the presets that I sent you. It's probably in your Downloads folder. And then you're going to click the ones I sent you. If I just sent you one, if you only bought one, you're only going to see one .xmp file. You're going to click Import, and it'll show up right here at the bottom. And you can just click those, and they'll apply to your preset. So make sure to watch the how to edit video to make sure you're making your photos looking really, really good. And then if you tag me, I will repost your photo, and I'll also send you a discount. So just use the hashtag Branson Maxwell Presets. Thanks for buying, guys. See ya.